Hi everybody, this is Tanya Atomic. Today I'm going to be trying out the Star Wars C-3PO palette. I'm a little bit late to the game, but when it came out I had a really bad flu, so I wasn't able to try it. And I love I have all the ColourPop Star Wars palettes. Starting with the child. So super cute. Oh my gosh. Look at that. And then there's the Mandalorian. Such a nice kind of like, I was going to say neutral, but sort of like taupe-ish or something. Then there's, oh, I didn't even show you the front, the Darth Vader. And then there's also a big palette, that's a larger Star Wars A New Hope palette, I believe. And so I am definitely collecting them all, and I was excited when I saw this one, C-3PO. Here's the thing, same thing. Backs are also the same. And here, I'll go ahead and I'll open up. The plastic sheet just fell out, so sorry. Oh, and it says, oh my, beep, boop, beep. That is too cute. That is too cute, okay. And there's a little C-3PO head right there. And a little R2-D2 right there. Oh my gosh. Okay, they're so cute. So there are 3 mattes, and the rest are all shimmers. And it's like goldy. Oh, this is a matte with a shimmer in it. I'll use that on the lid and see how that goes. I'll just go ahead and do a quick swatch. Okay, so this is like a Super Shock. It's really soft. So there's those. It is Bolt, Droid, and Tatooine. Oh yeah, Bolt, Droid, and Tatooine. And then we've got Golden one, Translator, and then that one is Etiquette. Of course, Etiquette. Okay, and then we've got Companion, and 6 million, and Programming. Okay. So I love R2-D2 and C-3PO. And especially C-3PO, so it's fun to have this. And I kind of feel like, I mean, they could come out with an R2-D2 one that's like blues and whites and reds. I don't know. Cool. Anyway, blah, blah, blah. Let's start with Tatooine here. There's some kick up, as you can see there. I feel like that's a ColourPop thing. ColourPop mattes do have kick up, but they go on pretty smooth. ColourPop is a fairly good formula. You know, if I was rated, I love Nomad. I think Nomad's like #1. ColourPop might be like a 3, like out of 10. I mean, it's pretty good. It's pretty darn good, and the price point is always pretty low. So, like the old BH, probably I would give like a 2 to Nomad's 1 to ColourPop's 3. So, pretty good here. Okay, so I'm going to go into Companion to deepen the crease. And again, we want to tap it. So tell me, what is your favorite Star Wars character in the comments below. Just let me know. Curious. And do you have a favorite out of like the shows or movies or lore of the books, which I know Disney is deciding not to use the books. I'm just going to use the same brush to go into this deeper shade Programming. Yeah, these are dusty, kick-up-y shades. But not horrible in any way, really. It's just a thing. And then what I'm going to do is just take 6 million. See how the palette gets kind of dirty as you use it because the shades kind of get everywhere. But I'm going to take Companion and put it on with my finger here. It's an interesting thing that ColourPop does. They do these mattes with sparkle, and the sparkle really only shows up if you use it with your finger. Otherwise, it dusts away pretty much, and the sparkle goes away. But if you apply with the finger like how I did, the sparkle still shines. So I'm gonna go with this shade here, the Bolt, just on the very inside. And then, I don't know if that's really showing up all that much. Because usually it shows up more. These kind of shadows show up more if you use your finger, but I don't want to get it all over my face because I'm just putting in a really small area. And then I'm going to go with Translation, the real gold, and do that underneath. I don't know if that is showing up all that well either. But what I'm going to do, I think, is do Etiquette here. This is the deepest shimmer. Just go right there. You know, these shades, they really, really want to apply with the finger and not the brush. The shimmer shades and the Super Shock shades, they just really apply better using the finger, not the brush. I'm going to use that darkest shade, I think, just to line lightly. I think it's pretty good, but I think I should have probably picked a better color for the lid. It's super neutral, super soft. I think if I were going to use this again, I would go ahead and use the shimmer for the lid. And I'm going to just go ahead and do that just to see. So I'm going to use Droid and use Droid as a lid shade and just see. I mean, it'll just, I think, pop better, a little bit better. And I'll just go ahead and take that Super Shock, that Bolt, and kind of put it right in the middle. I mean, these colors really do apply better with the finger. I mean, yeah. So I do like that better. You are going to get a goldy neutral shade or goldy neutral look out of this because that's what it is. But, you know, it's pretty. It's a pretty look. And let me blend a little bit more here. So it is pretty and I do like it. Of course, I love the packaging and I definitely will use this. And I do gold looks sometimes and stuff. So I'm not unhappy in the least. Looking forward to more Star Wars releases from ColourPop. And yeah, so that is it for today's video. Thanks for watching.